Shortbear here with another Codewars challenge. This one is a level 8. We're going to do it in Python. It's called Ascii Total. As always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes if you want to try it out before watching the video. So let's get started. All right, so you'll be given a string and you have to return the sum of all the characters as an integer. The function should be able to handle all ASCII characters. So for example, A is equal to 97, AAA is 291. Okay, so I have to Google real quick how to turn an ASCII to an integer in Python. So Python ASCII to integer. Let's see what comes up. All right, so Stack Overflow for the win. So there's an ORD function which will turn it into a number. And so let's see how this does. Let's do, so let's return, we're going to take each character and get the ORD from it. So we would do something like ORD char for char and S, right? So that'll get you a list of all the numbers, the ASCII totals, and then we need to return the sum of that. So I'll paste that back in and let's see how that does. All right, looks like it's working. Let's do a full submission here. And we got it. Not too bad. Thanks, Google.